well-being strategist with Clayton Homes, and we are here on this beautiful Saturday with Rebuilding Together. And
I am Vance McMillan with the Clayton Albuquerque team, and very proud to be here with me and the Rebuilding Together team out of Sandoval County, and to help build a beautiful ramp here on the front of these lovely people's home and on the side of the home.
One of our Clayton values is to do good, and we believe home ownership in any community, every community, should be safe and comfortable and really feel like home. So we're really excited to be here.
And this project comes to us from Whitney and our Volunteer Time Off program, which provides every member of Clayton Homes 8 hours of paid volunteer time off annually.